Živijo. Evo, knjižničarji, nekaj sem odkrila tako fenomenalnega, da moram z vami deliti. Sploh tisti, ki delate veliko razstave oziroma imate razstavno dejavnost. Jaz sem na tej LIBER konferenci odkrila gospoda h.janczikowski.
Oh, very good.
And he will show me, now I will speak to English, he will show me this amazing, how to say, magic box, exactly. And I think that at least our National Library should have at least one of these. But maybe he can explain a little what this magic box is.
Okay. The idea behind of this magic box is to tell a story about an object which is inside this glass cabinet. You can use different electronic content files to tell stories. The first one is we have a book here inside. The book is open. As a normal visitor, you can see just the 2 pages of the book. But if you have digitized that book like this, you can allow visitors to interact by flipping the pages. You can make it bigger, zoom in, and then you see the pages are flipping, and so on. So you can also allow to have full text search if you have done the OCR, which we haven't implemented here, but it's possible. Another way, you go back, say, okay, that's fine, but I need further information. I have also a 3D, three-dimensional object. Click here, and you see that does not fit to the book, but just to show the camera, and you zoom and you make it here, and then you can take a photo. No, that's not possible.
This is really magical. This is really a magic box.
Okay, this is possible, and last but not least, I would say, I will present a video which is showing also something about the object which is inside. You can define touch points with additional information.
Oh my gosh.
Also, the sound would work, but in that case we have a problem, but it works.
Oh my God, I am really excited to see this. So I really hope that also in Slovenia, at least one of our libraries.
Yeah, would be great.
Would be great, you know. You told me that they already have in the Belgrade. I think you told me.
In Belgrade, yes,
Belgrade,
they have something.
yes, they have something like this.
Yes,
so.
correct.
Maybe
Slovenia
should be the
National Library of Slovakia have such kind of boxes.
Yes.
Yeah.
I think this is really our future. So thank you again. Thank you again.
You're welcome.
Just thank you. Well, look more.